Hey guys, Mason here and welcome to another airport video. So today I am at Heathrow Terminal 5. As you might have seen from the pod video, because this will be released after the pod video, I am flying from Terminal 5 and if you have seen my other recent video where I travelled from Manchester to London, we're going to do this opposite thing. We're going to go the same way, but we're doing the opposite. We're going to go Heathrow to Manchester. I think we have an Airbus A320, but yeah, we are at the home of British Airways, so a British Airways is what we need and that is what we get. So yeah, we are now going to go and check into the flight. So let's go and do that. Just walking to find the check-in desk for British Airways. This airport's massive. I've never experienced Heathrow Terminal 5 from Heathrow side. I've only just experienced arrivals of Heathrow from 3 days ago. I don't know how many days ago now. But that's C, Josh. We are zone D to F to check in. We're going to try and do a bag drop because I can't fit it in all my bag stuff that I've got on my shoulders, but I've got a handheld suitcase, so I'm going to try and see if I can just work my way around instead. Right, so I have just checked in using the screen. I just had to do the booking reference because it wouldn't scan my ID, so anyway, we are now heading over to security and hopefully we have a longer time because we know what happened in Manchester. We literally got there and we had half an hour, managed to only go get a Diet Coke from WH Smith, get a refill and done. But yeah, I'm hoping on this flight that they do the complimentary water and biscuit again. Right, we're going to go over to security now, so I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so we are currently sat in the Wetherspoons in Heathrow Airport, waiting for our flight. It is 18:31 and our flight gets announced, well our gate gets announced at 8 o'clock on the dot. I'm just waiting for my burger, my chips, and I've got myself a cherry Pepsi Max as my drink as well, which is here. I don't know what Josh is ordering because he's still trying to figure out his bank account. But yeah, I can't wait for this food. Tiny knife. There we go, tiny knife. Lovely, love to see it. Let's try the burger. Ready? This is the burger, I just had ketchup on it. Chip. Nice. Gonna eat this and I'll see you afterwards. So I've just finished my dinner and as soon as I finish my dinner, look what's come. This chips has only arrived and I finished my bloody whole thing. My whole plate. Gone. Demolished. So that took me around 15 minutes to eat, I think. I don't know when I started. Oh my god. 747 guys. So we're just having a sit down because my feet are killing me now. Can't wait to go on the plane. In a way. Why is there so many circles on the ceiling?
A couple.
Means I could see it? Could be. They're just 2D. I'm not a 3D. So we have received our gate info. It is gate A13. So Josh is buying another bottle of Coke because he forgot his, well, no, he didn't forget, he just lost it somewhere. So, wait for him, and then we're gonna head over to our gate. So we are just going down the escalator now to our gate bridge. We are going to board now. We've just been passed through the gate check-in thing, so let's get on our plane.
Including those tagged with a yellow label must be placed under the seat in front of you. If you are sitting in a front row seat.
So we have arrived in our seat. It is also the same 27A as I was on Manchester to London Heathrow. This is actually a better plane. Well, the seats are better. I don't like the smell on it though. Just because it's been flying already. People's smells are just thingy, so it doesn't smell as nice, but if it's a better plane, I'll take it. And the headrest. Proper tray table. So the plane we are on is an Airbus A320, not a Neo this time I don't think.
No.
Neo. So, no Neo. But yeah, excited for another flight. Yeah, we'll be boarding, but no, we're boarding now. We'll be parting soon.
I've got one of these.
Yeah. within you'll see so the menu, the safety card, and the stick bag. The engine starts to feel a bit more louder, so I think we're going to start descending any minute now. So let's get ready for landing. So we've just landed, and what would you rate the landing?
6 out of 10. It was a bit.
I was rated 7.
No, I'll go 6. It had a little bit of a bump to it.
I'm not gonna lie, it was quite funny though. It was a good bump. It was a good bump. We're just waiting on the plane now. It is 3 minutes past 10, and we've got until 22:48 to be at the station on the train. Otherwise, they'll leave without us. Okay, people are leaving. We need to get off. So I might not film until I get through, but I'll try and film some parts. It might be me running. Who knows? Yeah, we literally exited the plane, 3 minutes ago? We're already outside the terminal. We just passed into Conscious B of Terminal 1. Why is my suitcase so loud? I do not know. But yeah, I think we might make it to our train, but I'll let you know when I get there. So we are in the station now, just near the tram stop, just because we actually made it early. It's actually arriving at 25 to 11, and it's only 20 past it is. So we've got around 15 minutes to kill. So I'm glad that we still sped walk, because you don't know how long it actually takes. So in other words as well, we have made it on time to get our train, which I'm thrilled, because I was stressing 15 minutes ago if we were going to make it in time or not, and we did. So because I don't want to go on a coach and end up at 1 AM at Lime Street, I'll tell you that. But yeah, I think we are going to make it, as long as our TPE isn't cancelled. Do you know what, I might end it here. Do you know what, also just before I end it, I've always been to Manchester Airport station, seen everyone with suitcases and that, and I've always been jealous of them. This is weird. It does, but it's not, because we did pay, don't worry. But yeah, so anyway, that is me and Josh saying goodbye to this kind of series of London. Goodbye. I've been going to London a lot.
Yeah.
But anyway, until next year now.
Probably
Yeah.
be like December or something. No,
Probably be next week. No, it can't be. It can't be. Anyway, but I'll see you next time. Bye bye.